Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today with a 2022 GWM Cannon Ute. Stock number 6809. Let's run from the 9th 2020 to the current shape. It has a GW4D 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a GW4D 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left-hand headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand taillight. Rear tailgate. Right hand taillight. Right rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heavy AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front sun visor, right front sun visor, front courtesy light, factory full spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,